Hello everyone! Hi, how are you guys? This is Tita Ani Vlogger again. Just walking around here in Zurich, Switzerland. So welcome to my channel. Enjoy watching and have a blessed day to you all. lakad-lakad lang, window shopping, para ma-enjoy lang yung mga tanawin dito sa Zurich, Switzerland. Weekend lang kasi, weekend in Switzerland. So, sayang naman yung time kung hindi natin i-enjoy kasi napakaganda ng weather. So, let's go walk with me and enjoy. So, for those who want to visit Zurich, again, puntahan nyo lang dito, yung malapit sa Central Plaza Hotel. Napakaganda ng place. Ayan, nag-i-enjoy lang ako sa mga tanawin. Na dami-dami ng train kasi malapit ito sa Central Station ng train nila dito sa Zurich. Kaya napakarami ng train na dumadaan. Ayan, enjoy watching. Thank you sa inyong lahat dyan sa panunood at sa pagpalo ng mga uploads ko. Ayan, thank you guys. Enjoy lang kayo dyan and watch for more uploads ko. Ayan, thank you. Nice city. Very, very nice. I enjoy walking around. Medyo mainit, pero okay lang. May summer kasi, diba? Summer pa, around the 30 degrees. So, okay. Laki naman tayo sa Asia. Sanay tayo sa mainit na panahon. So, enjoy na enjoy ko itong pag-walking around ko. Kaya ko naman yung weather na ganito kasi laking Pilipinas. Ayan, beautiful view. Ayan yung river. Enjoy nyo lang din tulad ng pag-i-enjoy ko. So, ayan na nga. Napagod sa paglalakad, na uhaw sa init galing, kaya mag-order muna ng drinks. Ayan, samahan nyo ko dito, mag-relax muna dito sa outdoor seating restaurant ng Central Plaza Hotel. Napakaganda ng outdoor seating area nila. So, relaxing, yung ambience napakaganda. Hindi naman maraming tao, kaya ayan, very quiet. Hindi marami, talagang walang customer masyado. So, ayan. So, cheers guys. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now. And take care. See you all on my next upload.